Hi all, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss some of the important questions from the topic reasoning. They are all previous year questions. Okay, so let us start our discussions. So question number 1, complete the series 4, 7, 12, 19, and we have to find the fifth number. Okay, so we have to complete this series. Okay, so the series is 4, 7, 12, 19. Okay, so first we will take the difference between each numbers. Okay, so first and second numbers difference is 3. Okay, so second and third number difference is 5. Okay, then the difference between the third and fourth number is 7, isn't it? 12 plus 7 is 19, 7 plus 5 is 12, and 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, so this is the pattern followed here. So what is this pattern? What is the specification of this pattern? This is odd series, right? 3, 5, 7 and 9, 11 are the odd number series. So 3, 5, 7. What is the next number? It is 9. So 19 plus 9 will be the next number. That is 19 plus 9 is 9 plus 9 is 18. So 28 will be the next number. That is option C. 28 will be the next number. What about the next sixth number? 28 plus 11 is 39 will be the sixth number. Is it clear? So in this question there follows a odd series, right? So we have to add plus 9 for getting the our missing number. So our missing number is option C, 28. Is it clear? So next question, question number 2. Question number 2, if addition means subtraction, subtraction means multiplication, multiplication means division. Okay, then what is 15 minus 3 plus 10 into 5 plus 5? Okay, so in our question minus means multiplication. Okay, so we have to rewrite it as 15 into 3. Okay, plus means minus, so in place of plus we have to replace it with minus. Okay, minus 10. Multiplication means division, so 10 division 5. Again plus means minus, so 5 minus 5. Okay, so according to board mass we have to solve this equation. So board mass is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and last subtraction. This is the order of solving this question. Okay, so we have to follow board mass. So first we have to, there is no bracket, there is no off in this question, so we'll start with division. Okay, so 10 division 5 is what? 10 division 5 is 2. Okay, then we have to multiply, we have to do multiply. So 15 into 3 is 15 into 3 is 45. So 45 minus 2 minus 5. Okay, so 45 minus 7. What is 45 minus 7? It is 38. Is it clear? So option C is our correct answer. Okay, so option C, 38 is our correct answer. So first of all we have to rewrite it, then we have to change the symbols as per the question given, and with the help of board mass we have to solve this equation, right? So question number 3, complete the series 10, 20, 10, 9, 21, 11, 8, 22, 12. Okay, so we have to find this number, right? So by looking at the series, it is like mixture of numbers, right? It cannot follow a particular pattern. Okay, so by seeing the first and second, then second and third, this is 10, 20, 10 again, so there won't be having any pattern in it. Okay, so again it is 9, then it is increasing, then it is decreasing, then again it is decreasing, then increasing and then decreasing. So by looking at this question or the number series, we can't find the answer very quickly. So let us do one thing. Let us uh, part this question into three parts. Okay, let us make this question into three parts, since here we have 3 3 3, that is total 9 numbers. So we can make this question into three parts having 3 numbers each, right? So the first part is 10 20 10, the second part is 9 21 11, and the third part is 8 22 and 12. Okay, so in each terms, or in each part, let us consider the first numbers only. So this is 10, this is 9, and this is 8. So 10 plus 1 is 9, 9, sorry, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. So by considering the first number of each group, we can find that it follows the pattern of minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so let us consider the second number of each group, that is 20 21 22. What is the pattern followed here? 20 plus 1 is 21, 21 plus 1 is 22. Okay, so like that. Next, let us consider the third number of each group, 10 11 and 12. What is the pattern followed here? 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay, so in between first letters or the first number of each group, they follow minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, so for the second numbers of each group, they follow plus 1, and also for the third number also they are following the plus 1 pattern. So what will be the next group of numbers? What will be the next group of numbers? First we have minus 1, right? So 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay, then 22 plus 1 is 23. 12 plus 1 is 13. So next set of numbers we have obtained. Okay, so in that our missing term is 7. Okay, we have to find just this term. Okay, so 7 is our missing term. Okay, so option D is our correct answer. Is it clear? So by just looking at the question, we can find that there is a irregular pattern followed, and also we can confirm that there are 9 numbers. So let us make it into three parts of three groups having 3 numbers. Okay, then we have done what? Consider the first number of each groups, then second number of each group, and third number of each group, and find the pattern followed in the sequence, and then find the answer. Okay, so this is about third question. Then question number 4. Question number 4. In this question, 3 statements are given followed by 2 conclusions. Okay, choose the conclusion which best fit logically. Okay, so statement number 1 is fishes live in water. So fishes live in water. Okay, tigers live in land. So tigers live in land. Amphibians live in both water and on land. So let us consider the amphibian here. So that the amphibians can live both in water and land. Is it clear? Or else we can do a change like this also. That is, tigers live in land. Tigers live in land, and the amphibians live in both water and land. So this is amphibian. Okay, so this circle is amphibian. Okay, this is water, this is fish, this is tiger, and this is land. Okay, is it clear? This is land, right? Is it clear? So fishes live in water. So all fish are there in water. Okay. Then tigers live in land means all the tigers are living in land. Okay. Then amphibians live in both water and on land means amphibian is living both in water and land. So the amphibians is contained in water and land. The part of the amphibians can be in land and the part of the amphibians can live in land also. Okay. So let us move on to the conclusion. Conclusion number 1 is fishes, amphibians and tigers belong to the same family. Fishes, amphibians and tigers belong to the same family. It is wrong, right? Fishes lives only in water. Amphibians both in water and land. Tigers in land only. So we can say that fishes, amphibians and tigers not belong to the same family. Okay, because tigers belong to land, amphibians belongs to water and land, and fishes belongs to water only. So it is wrong. First conclusion is wrong. What about the second conclusion? Both the amphibians and tigers can live in land. Okay, that is correct because amphibians can live in water and land and the tigers can live in land. So the conclusion is both the amphibians and tigers can live in land. That is correct, right? So amphibians can live in land and tigers can live in land. So only conclusion 2 follows. That is option B is our correct answer. Is it clear? Okay. So next question, question number 5. Complete the series 18, 21, 24, 27 and dash. So we have to find the missing number. Right. So what is the difference between 18 and 21? 19, 20, 21. So 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. Then 27 obviously plus 3 is what? 30. So option B is our correct answer. That is, this series follows the pattern like plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. So our answer is 27 plus 3 is equal to 30, option B. Okay. So next question, question number 6. Complete the series HIG KLJNOM. Okay, so we have to find the next set of alphabets. Okay, for that, what we have to do first? We have to write the corresponding number of each alphabets. Is it clear? So this is the corresponding numbers of each alphabets. Okay. So H is 8, I 9, G 7, K 11, L 12, J 10, N 14, O 15 and M 13. Okay. So as a next step, we have to find the relationship between each group of letters here. Okay. So here we can see 7 plus 1 is 8, then 8 plus 1 is 9, right? 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, right? So the pattern followed here is plus 1 and of the order of like this. Okay, that is third letter plus 1 is first letter, then first letter plus 1 is second letter, like that. And the difference among these group is, here it is 9, right? Here it is 9. So here it is starting with 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10, 11, 12, then 13. Okay, so next letter will be, that is the last letter of our missing series will be the 14 number letter. That is, here it is 9. It ends with 9. It ends with 9. Okay. So 10, 11, 12. It ends here. Then start with 13. Okay. After 12, it is 13. 13 is the third number, right? So 13, 14, 15. Okay. Sorry. 13, 14, 15. So the next number will be 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 1 is 18. So this will be our answer. Okay. So here it is 7, 8, 9, then plus 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, so this is the pattern followed here. Okay, so we have to find the corresponding alphabets of this number. Okay, what is the corresponding alphabet of 17? The corresponding alphabet of 17 is Q. What is 18th alphabet? It is R. And what is 16th alphabet? It is P. Okay, so our answer is option A, Q, R, P. Is it clear? So the pattern followed here is the complete series, complete plus 1 number series, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so this is a number series. The perfect integer regular number series is followed here, but the direction, that is the direction of the addition of number, is just the change in this pattern. Okay, so our answer is 17, 18, 16 and the corresponding alphabets of this number is Q, R and P, and option A is our correct answer. Okay, so is it clear? So next question, question number 7. In the following question, which of the two signs are interchanged to make the equation correct? So we have given a wrong equation, so we have to correct it. That is, any two symbols of this equation will get the answer 13. Now it is not is equal to 13. We have to make it is equal to 13. So we have to change any two signs. We have to interchange any two signs. So we will go with the options. Okay, so option A, division and minus is interchange, so that we will get 13. Okay, so that is option A. So let us try. So division and minus is interchange means 3 minus 5 into 8 plus 2. In place of minus it is division. Okay, so according to board mass we have to do this. So there is no bracket, there is no off. So we will start with division. So 2 division 10 is 1 by 5. Okay, so 3 minus, we have to do multiplication next, 40 plus 1 by 5. So this will not be our answer, right? Since it includes a fractional form, we have our answer in a integer form. There is no decimal in it, but here is a fraction in it, so this won't be our answer. Okay, so let us try the next option, option number B. Okay, that is division and plus is interchanged. So in place of division we have to give plus 5 into 8, and in place of plus we have to give division sign. Okay, okay, so first we have to do division. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, right? Then we have to do multiplication. Okay, so 5 into 4 is 20, 3 plus minus 10. Next we have to do 20 plus 3, 23 minus 10 is what? 13. So we get the answer 13. So our answer is option B, that is division and addition signs are interchanged. Okay, is it clear? So in this type of question we have to follow the option methods. That is, we have to put the option from A to D in our question, find our answer. Okay, so first we have put A in our question, option A in our question, so it does not follow, so option A is not our answer. Then we put option B, that is division and plus is interchanged, so that we got the answer very clearly. Okay, that is 13, right? So option B is our correct answer. So next question, question number 8, complete the series. 2, 5, 9, 19 and 37. Okay, so what is 2 into 2? 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 is equal to 5. Is it clear? Okay, like that. 5 into 2 is 10, minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, so into 2 plus 1 is the first calculation. Into 2 minus 1 is the second calculation. Then 9 into 2 is 18, plus 1 is equal to 19. 19 into 2 is 38 minus 1 is equal to 37. So the pattern followed here is into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1 etc. Okay. So first one is into 2 plus 1. Okay. Then into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. So what will be the next term? That is 37 into 2. Here it is minus 1. So the next term will be plus 1. So what is 37 into 2? It is 74 plus 1 is 75. That is option B is our correct answer. Okay. So the pattern followed here is into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 alternatively. And the last term is 37 into 2 plus 1. That is 74 plus 1 is equal to 75. Option B is our correct answer. Is it clear? So next question, question number 9. In a certain code, growth is written as HQPVUG and 4 is written as GNVQ. How is problems in the same code written is our question. So how can we write problems in that code? Okay. So first in this question we have to write the corresponding alphabets of corresponding number of each alphabets. Okay. So this is the corresponding numbers of each alphabet. That is, for G it is 7, for R it is 18, for O it is 15, for W 23, for T 20, for H it is 8. Like that, for H it is 8, for Q it is 17, for P it is 16, for V 22, for U is 21, and for G it is 7. So we have to find the relationship between each numbers. Okay. So 7 plus 1 is 8, right? 18 minus 1 is 17. 15 plus 1 is 16 and 23 minus 1 is 22. Okay. 20 plus 1 is 21 and 8 minus 1 is 7. Like that, 6 plus 1 is 7, 15 minus 1 is 14, 21 plus 1 is 22 and 18 minus 1 is 17. So the pattern followed here is starting with plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, etc. So according to our code, we have to find the answer of this question. Okay. So we have given the problems. Okay. So the corresponding numbers of the problem is, for P it is 16, for R it is 18, O 15, B 2, L 12, E 5, M 13 and S 19. Okay. So start with 16 plus 1 is 17. 18 minus 1 is 17. 15, so minus 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16. 2 minus 1 is 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. 5 minus 1 is 4. 13 plus 1 is 14 and 19 minus 1 is 18. So the corresponding alphabet of these numbers are, for 17 it is Q. Again for 17 it is Q. 16 it is P. 1 it is A. 13 it is M. For D it is, sorry, for 4 it is D. For 14 it is N. And for 18 it is R. So that's all. Okay. So this is our final answer. This is the code for problems. That is option D is our correct answer. That is Q Q P A M D N R. That is option D is our correct answer. Okay. So the pattern followed here is plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 etc. Is it clear? So moving on to the last question, question number 10. So question number 10, which word will best complete the relationship given below? Okay, so we have given hose and hoof. For hose, it is hoof. For cat, it is what? Is the question. Okay, so for human, it is foot. We can say it as foot, right? Like that, for horse it is hoof. Then for cat, what will be that? It will be called as paw. Okay, so paw can be used for the animal similar to cat, such as tiger, lion and all. Okay. So for human, for us, we can say it as a food. Okay. But for the animal category belonging to cat, okay, we can say it as paw. Okay. So correspondingly for horse it is hoof, right? So for horse it is hoof. The same relationship for the cat it is paw. Okay. So the options are option A leg, option B hand, option C tail and option D paw. Okay. So these are the parts of the animal. Okay. Leg, hand, tail are the parts of the cat. But paw is the relationship that is very similar to horse. Horse it is hoof, right? So leg, hand, tail are the part of the cat, but for horse it is hoof. So the corresponding part of cat that is similar to hoof is PAW, paw. Okay, so this is a important 10 previous year questions from the topic reasoning. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.